Ladies and gentlemen, the new Polo. The next stage of this success story, 45 years, 6 generations, 18 million cars built. The Polo is simply the Volkswagen in its segment. Now the Polo is digital and connected, innovative and intelligent like no Polo before. But see for yourselves. 18 million Polos sold so far. The new generation, a new family member, is in the starting blocks. More beautiful than ever before. Extensive standard equipment, new offer structure, a digital cockpit. The Polo is always up to date. Have fun with it, and I'm pleased to see if it continues to win the hearts and minds of our customers.
The new Polo comes with a wide variety of digital services, App Connect and wireless charging, the infotainment system MIB 3.1, functions on demand, and wheel services. These are just some examples.
We are very proud of our new Polo. The car has cool proportions. It's any designer's dream. Short overhangs in front and rear, long wheelbase, fast A-post, dynamic C-post, compact cabin and sculptural lines on the sides. From the front, we wanted to create an expressive, dynamic and masculine design. We've created that at the front end by linking the headlights with a grille that makes the car wider and easy to recognize. But my favorite part is on the rear. We have these two-section taillights, making the car wider and more valuable. The new Polo is highly intelligent. With IQ Drive, it brings technologies into its segment which used to only be available in higher vehicle classes, innovative assistance systems that lift safety and comfort onto a new level. The Travel Assist's an example. It supports drivers to 210 km per hour, keeps the distance to the car in front and on the side. Predictive speed control means it looks ahead. The Polo knows what's behind the bend, whether there's a village coming, etc. Then it will reduce the speed or give recommendations for maximum efficient driving. That's a novum in the Polo class and a true highlight, just like the center airbag, which is a real plus in passive safety.
The front end of the new Polo is not just dynamic and powerful, it also got intelligent lights. For the new Polo, we offer the IQ Light LED matrix headlights with dynamic light assist, which means that the LED main beam is partially dimmed once oncoming traffic is recognized. The Polo driver, however, still keeps seeing properly even in the distance, which makes driving safe. The new Polo is digital and interconnected. The cockpit is already 100% digital with 2 displays in touch operation. This doesn't just look great, but it also offers additional levels of information, for example, for our innovative assistance systems. The new Polo is always connected with wireless connection to the mobile phone. We connect online services or music streaming are always available, just like that, at all times.
The new Polo is a true Volkswagen, as it offers good value for money. We've intensively looked at what our customers expect from a Polo, and this is why we've upscaled it and streamlined the offer structure. The digital cockpit and the LED headlights are part of the much improved standard equipment package. The new Polo. It is young and fresh, just like the new colors, for instance, vibrant violet metallic. In the evening hours or in diffuse light, it looks really good. We are upping the ante with the R line. It's powerful, dynamic, with its signature sporty appearance. The R line with the new rims look really, really good.
Volkswagen.